We have the brand new 2025 Lexus LX 700H. What is this thing all about?
Aesthetically, it looks the same as the LX 600. On the Overtrail, we've got the blackout grille package, but the big thing is this gets the hybrid and the double lockers. First of its kind with 74-well portals. This obviously has the active height control. So where it sits right now, all of the lift is coming from the portal. We've got 35-inch tires currently. We're gonna try to fit a 37.
Is this thing gonna hit the trail? Are you gonna wheel this thing? I mean, it's a really nice truck, so.
Right?
Welcome back to our channel, guys. We have Ben from Dissent Offroad brought the brand new 2025 Lexus LX 700H. Now, this is the Overtrail model, correct?
Overtrail, yep.
Ben, this thing is incredible. You guys built this thing. We just give it a nice alignment. So we didn't do anything to this truck. I mean, this is as is from Dissent. They build the truck out, they do it all. So Ben, I mean, I know we worked together a while back on a 600.
Yep.
Tell me about the 700. What's the big deal? What is this thing all about?
Aesthetically, it looks the same as the LX 600. On the Overtrail, we've got the blackout grille package, which looks real nice.
Yeah.
We've kind of redesigned the low pro bumper. I think the one we did for Lexus with you was the F Sport.
Okay.
So that changed a little bit. So we're a little bit wider on the grille. So we just made that bumper kind of match, put the cutouts here to match up with the factory grille a little cleaner. Obviously we've added a bunch of Baja lights.
Okay.
But the big thing is this gets the hybrid and the double lockers. So we got front rear electric lockers and a center diff, which is pretty sweet.
Pop quiz. Last time his lockers were offered when? In the Toyota vehicle?
In the US?
In the US.
Front and rear?
Front and rear.
97.
97, guys. 97. So we're at almost a 20-year stretch where we didn't get triple lockers except now. Well, finally got it now. So that was the triple lockers were offered in a Land Cruiser, the legendary 80 series.
Right.
This is the first time they're putting a locker in a IFS vehicle, right?
Yeah, the 300 GR overseas gets
Correct,
it.
yes,
But
yes.
Yeah, over here, no, yeah, nothing.
So you got a locker here, center diff, and you got a locker here and here.
Front rear, center
That's
diff.
so cool. So if you want to get lockers from Toyota, you got to get the flagship Lexus LX 700. You guys just put portals on it, yeah?
We did, yeah. First of its kind with 74-well portals. It's almost the same as the GX, a few little minor differences we're working through.
So a lot of the architecture and the suspension is similar to like you would find in a GX 550?
Correct, except this obviously has the active height control. I think currently is in neutral, which is like stock height. So where it sits right now, all of the lift is coming from the portal. But we still have like 3 inches of upward height adjustment where it is currently.
So that's what's gonna be nice about having portals now on these vehicles, that it come with factory automatic height control, because before that's usually the end of the road as far as suspension modifications.
Right.
Anything with the height control, if you take the stuff off, you got a Christmas tree on your dash, you're pretty much done. A lot of the factory features get disabled, where now the truck still has factory height control, has all the adjustment from that, yet it has clearance and lift from the portal boxes themselves. So really cool.
Correct.
So just a quick rundown of some of the stuff you guys did at the shop. I saw you guys some sliders, some rack,
Yeah.
new bumper in the back.
Yeah, so obviously front bumper, Baja lights on the roof rack. We got the roof rack, the Rome awning, our high clearance sliders, and then yeah, our low pro bumper in the rear. This one we changed up a little bit to kind of make it where we don't have to cut this. So the factory lower plastic comes off. We didn't actually cut the plastics there.
Ah, so you ran with the factory body lines there.
Yep.
Okay.
Got the S2s in the rear. I think those are their wide cornering lights. Got to figure out spare tire. We don't have anywhere for a spare tire currently.
Is this something that will be offered with swing outs?
Not this particular bumper. We do have our swing out bumper that does cut more. The 700, it's a bit tricky because we've got extra parking sensors and it's got the advanced park. So basically you can park it via the app remotely. So you can get out of the vehicle, back this into a parking space. But because of that, those sensors are way more crucial to where they're placed and how they're calibrated.
We're gonna see if we can hack that and have a crawl remote. Just get out of the truck,
I know, right?
crawl like RC car, get back in.
Instead of needing a spot, you just hop out and drive it.
Is the body bigger?
The body is slightly bigger,
Okay.
slightly longer. Width-wise, I think it's pretty darn close. Interior spaces actually feels a little tighter.
Interesting.
There's so much more stuff inside there.
Oh man, this thing scoots.
Feels good, huh?
Oh yeah.
Hold on over here.
Jeez. Is it wider?
It's a little bit now, but not by much. Interior space is pretty terrible. I personally need the third row, so it's fine for me, but it's very weird that Lexus decided to do the over trail only with the third row.
Yeah, you would imagine that's the off-road model would be used for more for
Yeah,
outfitting.
they did the opposite on the GX. You can't get the over trail, at least for the first year, with the third row.
Yeah.
It's still work in progress back here, but we took out all this factory shelf, made this cover plate. I'll be making some new backers for the seats to hopefully extend and kind of fill in some of this gap area here. Otherwise, all your stuff you put back just kind of falls into that crevice.
So you want to be able to use these for your particular use on the regular. Use the seats, put them away if you need to.
Yeah, in a perfect world, I would eliminate one seat, do like a small drawer system on this side. But they also made that very difficult because now the back's split. This is two separate seats, but the base is all one piece. So you can't actually pull one of them out.
Yeah.
So yeah, we've got some figuring to do back here to make it useful.
Yeah, this thing would be sweet with some drawers and just rear end outfitting here.
Obviously, if you took the third row seat out and then made a cover plate over the hybrid battery, you'd be pretty good.
Well, new car, new challenges, new technology, you kind of got to roll with it. So
Yep.
yeah, it looks great so far.
We've got 35-inch tires currently. We're going to try to fit a 37. I've got some extended carbon flares going on it, so it will look a little different here shortly.
So we got some room.
We got some room, yeah, less than the GX and the Land Cruiser, unfortunately. They have a little smaller wheel well. These wheels are a plus 40. I think I could fit like a factory plus 60 with Quinn's new Portal design, which would set this tire in. I think I have room to get to a plus 60 wheel now.
Who makes that?
It'd just be a factory.
Oh, like a factory
something.
Okay.
I actually have a set of the BBS forged wheels off the Sequoia.
Oh yeah, for sure. Same bolt pattern, right?
Same bolt pattern would be a pretty nice flush fitment.
That would look good, man. That would look clean.
So if you went with that and like a carbon, like the Joust carbon 20 millimeter flares, you'd have pretty much a flush fitment on there, which would look killer. We're still doing the twin snorkels. I've got exhaust to go on it. We did some Icon lower control arms in the rear, the billet, and then their billet uppers in the front.
Ben, this thing is so nice. Is this thing gonna hit the trails? Are you gonna wheel this thing? I mean, it's a really nice truck. So
right. We plan to do some wheeling. How crazy we go, I guess we'll see. Normally I end up giving in to peer pressure when I shouldn't, so.
Yeah, for sure. Well, I guess we're going to take it to Rubicon, maybe next season. We'll see.
Right.
Okay, well, cool. Thank you for showing us around. Again, this is just a quick little walk around vid. You know, Ben just popped in to get a little alignment refresh, and we're excited to where you take this thing next, man.
Yeah, no, look forward to showing you in its final stages.
That pretty much wraps it up. See you guys next time.